Today's topic is population forecasting method. First is arithmetic increase method. Population forecasting, none of the methods is exact, and they are all based on the laws of probability, and thus only approximate estimate for the possible future population can be made. So first method of population forecasting is simple method, not a exact method, and this gives not a true data. Arithmetic increase method. This method is based upon the assumptions that the population increases at a constant rate. Now understand this method. We derive the formula. P1 is equal to population after 1 decade from present. Present means last known census is equal to P0 plus 1 into X bar. P0 is the present population and 1 is the number of decade after 1 decade. So 1 is 1 decade and X bar is the average growth in 1 decade. Similarly, P2 is equal to population after 2 decade from present. So P2 is equal to P1 plus 1 into X bar. Now value of P1, this value is put in this equation. P2 is equal to P0 plus 1 into X bar plus 1 into X bar. So P2 is equal to P0 plus 2X bar. Similarly, P3 is equal to P2 plus 1 into X bar. Then P3 is equal to P0 plus 3X bar. We can write formula in this position. We get Pn is equal to P0 plus n into X bar, where Pn is equal to perspective or forecasted population after n decades. Population forecasted population Pn after n decades from the present, that is last known census. P0 is equal to population at present, that is last known census, and n is equal to number of decades between now and the future, and x bar is equal to average arithmetic mean of population increase. Population increase, average of the population increase in the known decades, like 3 decades or 4 decades. This method we can understand with the help of this example. Take an example. The population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given below in table. Find out population after 1 decade, 2 decade, and 3 decades beyond the last known decade by using arithmetic increase method. This is the data, given data, year and population. In 1930, population was 25,000. In 1940, population 28,000, and in year 1950, population is 34,000, and in year 1960, population 42,000. Increase, gradually increase. In year 1970, population is 47,000. Now this is the solution. Year and population. This is the increase in population in 1 decade. 1930 to 1940, population increased 3,000 in 1 decade, and 1940 to 1950, population again increased 6,000 in 1 decade, and population 1950 to 1960, 34 to 42,000 means increase 8,000, and population from 1960 to 1970, growth 42 to 47,000. 5,000 growth in decade from 60 to 70. So total increase in 4 decades, total increase of population 22,000 in 4 decades. So this value divided by 4. So average increase per decade, increase in a decade or in per decade, 1 decade. This is the X bar. Note by X bar. X bar is equal to 22,000 upon 4 is equal to 5,500. Means 5,500 population increase in a decade per decade in last 5 decades. The future population are now computed by using equation, as we know, Pn is equal to P0 plus n into X bar. Pn is equal to future population, P0 present population, and number of decade X. X bar is the average increase in decades. In a decade, first population after 1 decade, beyond 1970, not any other year. Last known census is not 1930, 40, 50, 60. Last known census is 1970. This is the given. Last known census is 1970. So we use data of 1970. Population after 1 decade means from last known decade 1970 to 1980. Population in 1980. P 1980 is equal to P1 is equal to P 1970. P 1970 is P0. P 1970 plus 1 into X bar after 1 decade is equal to 47,000 plus 1 decade into 5,500 average increase in a decade is equal to 52,500. This is the population in 1980. And population after 2 decades beyond 1970, last known census 1970. P 1990. Population in 1990 is equal to P2 is equal to P 1970 plus 2 into X bar. Simple is equal to 47,000 plus 2 into 5,500. 5,500 average increase in a decade is equal to 58,000. Population after 3 decades beyond 1970 in the year 2000 means P3. One after 1 decade 1980, after 2 decade P2, after 3 decade P3, and P3 is in year 2000. P2000 is equal to P3 is equal to 9 P0 plus n X bar is equal to P 1970 plus 3 into X bar. So for P 1970 population in 1970 47,000 plus 3 decades 3 into increase population per decade, average increase of population per decade 5,500. 47,000 plus 3 into 5,500. This is the 63,500 population. So population after 3 decades means population in year 2000 is equal to 63,000. Population in 1970 47,000 and in 2000 63,500. This is the first method of population forecasting method, arithmetic increase method. Thank you.